Here in Leicester, Massachusetts, we are the #1 disc golf course in the country, which draws in people from all over the world.
Hi, it's Phil Olivo here with the Leicester Business Association. And today I'm with Ryan. Ryan, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name's Ryan Johnson. We're here at Maple Hill Disc Golf Course. I'm the event manager / fixer of things. Maple Hill Disc Golf Course is the #1 disc golf course in the country. It's something we're known for worldwide. It's also accessible down to brand new beginner players.
That's awesome. And sort of along those lines, we took a ride around the course, checking it out, right? I've never been disc golfing in my life. So say I want to get out here, I want to get after it, I want to try it out. How does that work? Do you guys have discs I can borrow or rent? I don't know what I'm doing. Can you help explain it to me? Walk me through that.
It's a one-step process for you.
Okay.
Show up. You come in here, walk into the pro shop downstairs, and we'll get you taken care of. We have used discs to purchase, new discs to purchase, or just loaner discs. Just $10 for a round.
So if I want to try disc golf, it's going to cost me $10.
Yep.
That's it.
$10 per person.
$10.
Kids under 12 play free.
What, really?
Yep. You and the wife want to come play, come out for $20.
That's amazing. What a deal. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you guys have going on here?
Many people in Leicester probably know it as the place they come get their Christmas trees. And speaking of the Christmas trees, this is an active tree farm. Every year, just after Thanksgiving, they open up for Christmas tree sales. This is one of many fields of trees. There's one here, one over on the other side, one out in the back.
And across the street as well, right?
And across the street, yep.
Nice.
So there's plenty of trees for everyone, all sorts of shapes and sizes, different species, whatever you're looking for. All you see from the road is a small gravel parking lot, maybe the house. The course, it really opens up.
Yeah, it's huge. You have the open space, you have nature, you have outdoor recreation, right?
My wife comes out with me to play all the time.
Nice.
She doesn't play disc golf.
Yeah.
She is watching the birds, the squirrels, the frogs, the fish, whatever. She's out there just enjoying nature, going on a walk while I'm playing disc golf.
Yeah, and we kind of geeked out a little on birds too when we saw a bluebird fly by, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Bluebird.
Oh yeah, bluebird.
Bright blue.
Yeah. How long have you guys been here in town as a disc golf course?
Last year was our 20th anniversary.
Wow, that's amazing. 20 years, huh?
Yep.
I've never been disc golfing before. I've done like traditional golf.
Yeah, so we use a lot of the same terminology. We have a tee pad. You throw from the tee pad.
Okay.
Try to stay on the fairway.
Yeah.
And then we try to get to a basket. We still call this a green, even though it's all wood chips, is our end goal. And the goal is to get the disc in the basket. So as it's coming in, the scoring is exactly the same as ball golf. And at the end, lowest score wins.
It's not just disc golf. You have other things too.
Right. The tree farm.
Cut your own, right?
You get a basket and a handsaw and go get whatever you want.
Yeah, that's awesome.
When the family likes to come out here in the winter and trek, put some steps in to go looking for the best one at the far edge of the property.
And Steve Fontaine, LBA member, who's joined us today doing the camera work, he's sharing some loving memories of coming here with his family during Christmas, hiking these woods, dragging the tree up, right?
That's the best. We also have a barbecue restaurant. This is a new addition to Maple Hill, Barbecue Underground. Amazing barbecue right here in Leicester. He's open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 7. He has a liquor license, so beer and seltzers upstairs.
So, you can finish your round, then come in here to the restaurant, get your barbecue, have a beer out on the deck.
Last weekend, we had a wedding reception here of 86 people playing yard games. The bride and groom and all their friends played around a disc golf in the morning, come up here. So we also host like corporate events.
So along those lines, we were talking about maybe doing a business association event here.
Yeah.
Give our members a chance to see what's going on here, maybe check out the course, play around afterwards.
Maybe have a bite.
Yeah, oh, for sure, have a bite. Do most of your players come from Leicester or surrounding towns?
But it's mostly surrounding towns.
Isn't it funny, right? Because we're at the #1 disc golf course in America. Like, we're not just saying that. That's a fact.
Yes.
So my suspicion is that a lot of people like me in Leicester have been missing out on this place all these years, right? You've been here 2 decades. Driving by, it's hard to tell like just how much is here. I had no clue until this morning. Well, it's a great reuse of a generational farm as well, right? It's not like you're leveling all this and putting in a huge development like you see happen in some places, right? You've got the outdoors, you've got nature. You've got outdoor recreation. It's really great.
It's global, cosmic, Leicester Tour. One Speed is the MVP Open. Over 3,000 spectators come into Leicester.
You guys keep busy with all these events. Well, we always love people coming into town to spend their money, right? And have a good time.
and a good time.
Yeah.